let's review the LEGO City Construction Excavator, set number 60420. What's up, LEGO fans? GDP Builds here, bricks is the way. Thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. I do post daily. Trying to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Let's see if we can do it, LEGO fans. So, welcome back to another review video where I review the LEGO City Construction Excavator set number 60420, where I built on this past Saturday on my last live stream. It is a really awesome build. I really enjoyed it. Lots of play features. The LEGO City Construction Excavator set number 60420 has 3 minifigures, came out in 2024, and has 633 pieces. Send in the Mega Construction Excavator. This mammoth machine rolls on huge ground grip tracks for access to rugged construction sites. Use the barriers to cordon off your work zones. Then hop aboard and take control of the super versatile boom. Spin the cab 360 degrees and use the bucket to dig, lift, and transport massive loads. Get ready for hours of epic fun. So, first minifigure we got was this, big boss man. He's got a suit on, tie, some front printing, a little bit of back printing, just some blue lines. Hard hat. He's got blueprints for the LEGO ice cream shop, which is hilarious because I also have this set too. You also can swap out with hair. Swap his hard hat out with hair. Now, he originally wasn't holding the radio, the driver was, but I gave it to him because it would make more sense for him to have it, in my opinion. You know, he's the big boss man. He needs to radio stuff. Still, nice minifigure. Then the second minifigure we got was this construction worker. He's got a jackhammer, he's got front printing, leg printing, back printing, hard hat with the ear muffler or earpieces on, and he can even swap out his helmet for hair. Hey, oh, there we go. But on a construction site, you need a helmet. You also got these 2 little buildable barriers. Nice, simple little buildable barriers. The third minifigure is sitting here in the cab. She's got front printing, back printing, hair, and she's got a printing of like a hearing impaired earpiece, which is nice. Nice that they're doing some inclusions. I'm all for inclusions as long as you have the skills to do the job. But still, nice little minifigure. That was the third minifigure. Then they got some debris in the bucket here. Just, nothing too special about the debris other than got some masonry bricks. But the tracks are nice. Rolls nice and smooth, like really smooth. You got rubber tires in there too, but it just rolls nice and smooth. The cab does do a 360 spin. You got, the cockpit here where you could sit. You got little gauges, stickers. There was quite a few stickers, not too many though. There's these stickers here on either side of the boom. Stickers back here. You got tail lights. Nice big counterweight. The boom of the arm goes up and down, and this adjusts, and the bucket adjusts, which is really nice. You could do a lot of versatile things with this thing too. It's it's really nice on what it can do. One of my favorite features about this is back here. This lifts up And you got a little tiny buildable engine and an engine bay. This is like honestly one of my favorite features on this is the little tiny engine. You can pull it out. Well, gotta do some engine maintenance. It's a really nice little design, detailed Lego engine. Oh, it honestly is. I like how Lego did this. I think this is a win for Lego. I call this a win. I like it. And just reinstall the engine. Good to go. Nice little air filter right here. Air intake. Got your light beak and your lights. Your headlights up here. Getting tail lights down here. I like these sloped, curved red translucents as the tail lights. I really like those. This set, perfect. It is really good. I really like it. Let me know your thoughts on it. Enjoy the speed build that's after this. I should have said that at the beginning, but I forgot to. I always forget. Overall, I'll give this set I don't know. I don't want to give it a full 10 out of 10. It's a really good set. I really like it. Let me know your thoughts on it. But I'm thinking an easy 9.5 out of 10 for this set. This is a really nice one. Perfect if like you're doing like a whole like Lego City mock with like a giant construction site and you have a bunch of construction Lego sets. Perfect. This is an absolutely beautiful set. Like a bunch of people that were watching my streams was like, wow, you know what? I've changed my thoughts about that set. I like some people said they like it. They had low expectations, or I can't remember who said it, of course, but I know some of my followers enjoyed watching this build, and I enjoyed building it. I do have a couple more construction sets that I haven't built yet, and there's still one more I want to get. That's available. Hopefully I can. Yeah. So. Let me know your thoughts on this. I love this set. I highly recommend it. Go for it. And enjoy the speed build that's right after this. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. I do post daily. And I'll see you on the next video, Lego fans. Stay safe out there. Watch out for yourself. Watch out for your family. Tell them you love them. This is JDP Builds, and bricks is the way. Thanks for watching.